Hello guys, Nick the Fanman 64 here, and after just got done moving in this house, I finally can get a chance to show you my brand new Armitage 42-inch. So I installed it like before we moved in. It was like during when I was painting this room. I chose lazy gray. This room used to be white, but there was like a bunch of stains on the walls that I had to like cover up. But anyway, so yeah, I'll show you guys running. I paid like, well, since the prices were going up lately, I paid like around $30 for it. But it wasn't like really that too much. But it works. I installed it on my own, and it moves the amount of air I needed, and it's wobble free too. But yeah, I'll show it running. I have it on high right now because that's what I had that on last night. So here we go. I'll turn this off. It hums a little, but it doesn't bother me that much. Plus I have the TV running when it's on too, so I barely even hear it. And I know that some of you have, I know some of you don't really like this fan that much because, I know how it hums for people who buy this. And I get that some other people have different experience with this fan. And I respect that. But for me, I have my own opinion on this, and I like it. And I hope you guys understand that it's my opinion. But anyway, here's medium. A little bit slower than I expect it to be. Even though it said wobble free, it does shake a little bit on medium. And it made the shaking noise too, but it stopped. I didn't even fix it either. The shaking noise stopped on its own. Here's low. I use medium like more frequently than all the other speeds. But since like the AC is currently running right now, it gets pretty cold in here, so that's why I don't really run it on high that much. But yeah. My first bedroom fan in 11 years. I love it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe for more content. comment, like, and I'll see you on my next video.